presenting the Chrysler 2019 300 Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth high back bucket seats, tires, 245/45R20 BSWS performance, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise aluminum, sport appearance package included, Firestone brand tires 245/45R20 BSWAS performance wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise aluminum black chrome surround 300S grille black headlamp bezels black LED tail lamps bright chrome wing badge, black insert compact spare tire gloss black DLO surround molding, transmission, 8-speed automatic 850RE, STD, quick order package 22E included, engine 3.6L.